Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play as Wukong on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store. And as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is again look at the left tab and select this champions option right here. And as you select it, either you can just scroll this down to look for the Wukong, or look at your left for the search box and tap Wukong. And as you tap it, Wukong will be available on your screen. So all you have to do is to get this Wukong, use your RP points. So if you don't have the RP points, you can just top it up from the store, or also you can get the Wukong using your blue essence. So guys, that's how you play as Wukong on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.